Homeowners believe plumbing is supposed to last forever, and that couldn't be further from the truth. Here's how long plumbing systems actually last.
Was just getting off of work last night when he came home to water pouring from the ceiling.
All the alarms are going off and a bunch of water spilling down the sides.
Copper pipes. Copper has been a standard in homes for decades. On average, copper pipes last 50 to 70 years max. While it is a good age, it certainly isn't immortal. As copper ages, it slowly thins from the inside, thanks to water chemistry, minerals, and pressure. At Superior Plumbing and Heating, we believe these signs indicate that it's about time. Pinhole leaks, green or bluish stains, and reduced water pressure. The thing about copper is that it doesn't usually collapse. It slowly weakens, and by the time leaks start appearing, the system is already near the end of its lifespan. PEX pipes. PEX, or cross-linked polyethylene, is a newer material designed for flexibility and freeze resistance. Its typical lifespan ranges from 40 to 50 years, depending on water quality and installation. It's lower than copper pipes, but it makes up for it with affordability. PEX pipes don't corrode, but they can degrade from UV exposure or improper fittings. Signs of these could be discoloration, brittle sections, or leaks near connection points. Cast iron pipes. Cast iron has been the industry standard for plumbing for decades. It is commonly used in sewer lines and offers a lifespan of 75 to 100 years. But that doesn't mean it's the best option. As cast iron breaks down, it flakes and rusts from the inside. You may notice slow drains, recurring clogs, sewer odors, or hard water stains, indicating that it's almost time. Cast iron doesn't give much warning. It just fails, and it fails expensively. PVC pipes. PVC pipe is the new standard for plumbing, and it is for all the right reasons. It can last 50 years or more under normal conditions and is perfect for drains and venting applications. While PVC doesn't corrode, it can easily crack from shifting soil, temperature changes, or improper installation. If you notice repeated clogs or visible cracks, then it's a strong sign that your system is under heavy stress. Which pipes do you have in your house? Comment below.